In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a profile link on X.com, also known as Twitter, in just a few simple steps. This is super useful if you want to send your profile to someone, add your account to a bio, share it in a message, or post it anywhere online. And the best part is, it only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and log into your X account at X.com. You can do this from any web browser on your computer, and once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your home feed. If you're already logged in, you can skip this part and move straight to the next step. Now look over to the left-hand side of the screen. In the navigation sidebar, you'll see different options like Home, Explore, Notifications, Messages, and more. What you want to do here is click on Profile. This will take you directly to your public profile page where people can see your posts, your bio, your followers, and everything else connected to your account. Once your profile page loads, take a look at the very top of your screen at the web browser's address bar. This is the bar that shows the full website link for the page you're currently viewing. Since you're now on your profile page, that address bar contains your unique X profile link. Next, click inside the address bar so the full URL gets highlighted. If it doesn't highlight automatically, you can drag across the link or use your keyboard shortcut to select it. After that, simply copy the URL. You can right-click and choose copy or use the keyboard shortcut Command+C on Mac or Control+C on Windows, and that's it. You now have your X profile link copied and ready to share wherever you want. You can paste it into a text message, email, social post, or anywhere else you want people to find your account quickly. If this tutorial helped, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick step-by-step tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.